Good morning, Galactica. Please provide the report of the day.
Good morning, Nova. ShadowGirl obtained CompTIA Security Plus certification and prepared a material to present to you.
Perfect. Call her, please.
Hi Nova, hi Galactica. How are you?
Hi, ShadowGirl. We're fine, thank you. Nova wants to see your presentation regarding CompTIA Security Plus certification. Can you share the agenda to us?
Yes, the topics that we will cover are the following. What is CompTIA Security Plus certification and why is this certification useful? What inspired me to take the next step in cybersecurity? Learning journey, practice tests and flashcards, winner's mindset, exam day, testing provider, time, questions and passing score, and topics covered, certificate, valid period and digital badge, and conclusion. What is CompTIA Security Plus certification and why is this certification useful? The CompTIA Security Plus certification is a valuable asset for anyone looking to establish or advance their career in the field of IT security. It not only validates your skills and knowledge in the field, but also opens up a wide range of job opportunities. It's a worthwhile investment for any IT professional. This certification is globally recognized. The CompTIA Security Plus certification affirms the fundamental competencies required to execute essential security tasks and embark on a career in IT cybersecurity. It sets the benchmark for initiating a profession in security and is the favored qualifying certification for cybersecurity professionals at the onset of their career. The key aspects are the following. It serves to various job roles including junior IT auditor or penetration tester, systems administrator, network administrator, and security administrator. The certification examination incorporates hands-on performance-based questions, PBQs, drag and drop items, evaluating your capacity to effectively troubleshoot in real-world scenarios. I had 4 PBQs and single and multiple choice questions. It guarantees that you are up to date with the latest advancements in cybersecurity technology, terminology, techniques, and tools.
Awesome. Tell me more about the benefits of this certification.
Well, proving your knowledge and your expertise, the certification confirms your mastery of the knowledge acquired during training. Achieving industry recognition. CompTIA Security Plus is recognized as the benchmark for kickstarting a career in security. Making a strong first impression, certification can significantly enhance your profile. HR managers utilize IT certifications for screening or hiring criteria during recruitment. You can create an impact during your interview if you bring to the table the CompTIA Security Plus concepts. Navigating your career path. If you are uncertain about the potential career path an IT certification can lead to, explore IT careers for professionals, navigate through various certifications, and uncover jobs in areas that pique your interest. This could open doors to opportunities and success because certifications are crucial in identifying the right candidate for the right job. Securing future success with CompTIA Security Plus certification. Earning a certification is a strategic move to future-proof your career.
ShadowGirl, can you please tell us what inspired you to take the next step in cybersecurity?
Sure. Last year, I passed the IC Squared CC exam, certified in cybersecurity. This served as an initial certification aimed at verifying the fundamental competencies, skills, and knowledge required for a beginner or junior role in the cybersecurity field. It presents an excellent launchpad for individuals aspiring to embark on a career in cybersecurity.
Okidoki. But what about the learning journey? Let's go to this topic from the roadmap.
In my journey towards achieving the CompTIA Security Plus certification, I utilized a variety of comprehensive study resources. This included Leon training on Udemy, which provided me with an in-depth understanding of the subject matter through his well-structured course. Professor Messer's YouTube videos, which served as a valuable visual learning tool that supplemented my study routine. The book by Derek Gibson, which offered detailed insight and was very useful in reinforcing my knowledge base. These resources collectively played a pivotal role in my preparation for the certification, each contributing uniquely to my learning process.
You mentioned on the roadmap practice tests and flashcards. Develop this topic, please.
For my CompTIA Security Plus certification preparation, I tested my knowledge at the end of each chapter. I tried to give myself a test to check whether I understand the concepts or not. This approach is like an exam simulation and it's extremely useful to be prepared for the real exam. Having flashcards as a learning strategy significantly enhances the comprehension of security concepts. Flashcards serve as an essential tool in the educational journey due to their ability to facilitate active recall, improve memory through spaced repetition, and promote efficient learning by breaking down complex information into manageable chunks.
Being the captain of the starship, I am interested in the following topic: winner's mindset. Tell me more.
Sometimes you feel overwhelmed and discouraged to study further. I also felt like I would not pass this exam because there are a lot of concepts to memorize and understand in CompTIA Security Plus. I had many doubts. The fear of not passing the exam was a constant companion, and uncertainty cast a long shadow over my confidence. However, I motivated myself that I could do it because others had traversed this path and emerged victorious. So, it's not something impossible, but it requires a lot of time and dedication to study. Crafting a pragmatic study plan can illuminate your education journey. Adopting a winner's mindset is crucial. Remember, your thoughts have the power to shape your reality, the law of attraction. But don't overlook the significance of hard work. It's not enough to merely wish for certification.
Interesting. What else? Tell me more.
Ensure you take regular breaks to rejuvenate, get adequate sleep, stay hydrated, and maintain a balanced diet. Strive for a harmonious blend of a structured study plan and flexibility. If writing aids your understanding, make it a habit to take notes, but be prepared for this to extend your study time. Failing a quiz or a practice exam is not the end of the world. Just keep learning from your mistakes. In life, you will have ups and downs, because life is like a roller coaster. When you fall, it's important how you get back up to achieve your goal. So, the true measure of success is not in never falling, but in rising each time you fall. Consider creating a calendar-based study plan, setting daily objectives. This approach can provide structure and clear milestones on your journey to success.
I have a curiosity. Let's discuss about the exam day. You mentioned in the agenda testing provider, time, questions and parsing score, and the topics covered.
The CompTIA Security Plus examination encompasses a maximum of 90 questions. You will have 90 minutes to complete the exam. Upon finalizing the examination, you will be presented with an opportunity to voluntarily provide information via an exit survey detailing your study methodology and the motivations behind your decision to pursue certification. The passing score is 750 on a scale of 100 and 900. The testing provider is person view, testing centers or online testing. Topics covered in the exam: threats, attacks and vulnerabilities, This domain focuses on understanding different types of threats and vulnerabilities, analyzing indicators of compromise, and distinguishing between various types of attacks. Identity and access management. This involves implementing controls for identity and access management, as well as understanding common account management practices. Technologies and tools. This domain covers the troubleshooting of common security issues and the secure deployment of mobile devices. Risk management. This involves understanding the importance of policies, plans, and procedures related to organizational security. Architecture and design. The domain focuses on understanding secure application development, deployment, and concepts related to cloud and virtualization. Cryptography and PKI, public key infrastructure. This involves understanding the basic concepts of cryptography and the implementation of public key infrastructure.
Did you get a badge?
If you pass the exam, yes. You will get the digital certificate and badge in several hours. The certification is valid for 3 years from the date you pass your certification. In conclusion, individuals who have obtained the CompTIA Security Plus certification possess the essential knowledge and skills to execute fundamental security operations associated with any role in cybersecurity.
Great info and thanks for sharing with us. So, Nova, these certified professionals are adept at recognizing and tackling potential threats, attacks, and vulnerabilities. They are equipped with proven strategies in managing risks, mitigating risks, managing threats, and detecting intrusions.
Thank you for sharing this with us. I enjoyed this presentation. Galactica, what do you think?
I love the subject and I'm thinking of collaborating with ShadowGirl and the team for the next material to be presented. I already know the subject, CompTIA Security Plus practice questions and answers.
Wow. This is very useful. Can't wait to see the next material. Good luck with your certification journey.
Thank you. I have to join another meeting. Talk to you later. Bye bye.